Do you feel like maybe let's share it Chingisaya deserve love yako?
No.
Why?
Because you. I. Why?
So, turn is boom. It says it's boom proof.
Yes, as.
Yeah, this was a lot of boom.
It's as you know.
I can't repeat it. 2 bars, man. Tell bro.
Buzz.
Yeah, only 2 bars.
2 bars, bro.
Two bars.
Bro,
Banana.
yes. Okay, 2 bars. Okay, I got 2 balls, but I crunch lunch bars. So yeah, when I drop bars, it's always.
Okay, now nifuna untropele nje kuse top 3 yabo ye group bone kuse icula ya Picasso khona uthi cha imamela khona ya kuse is work is gaga is has work noma kuse shows ngaya kwamhlabi yalingana KZN bone kuse josebenzela ba kuse masicule kamnandi ngezilunge bone kuse ufuna untropele nje zona nje kuse khona kuse hayi kaka ndisifeelings noma zingathini bone kuse ngona kuse zame nje ukwenza imali sithengisa amagwini yo wathi none abazali bakho abangayaziyo ngawo
Into abangayaziyo ngami abazali bami manje nevoice. Kaloku ngizaba ngathi nithethe noLia mina. Zawuthi kaloku into abangayaziyo ngami into okuba ndiyenzele ebumnyameni. Into yenzele ebumnyameni underpin ungumuntu.
ngobusifumana umuntu nje umuntu usepe kunike sona beke wachama ngokunikaya
masisuka lo mbozo.
hayi mujani brother
man. Ayifuna uxoka bo. Thethe into ezirong.
sure
Yabona
uzokhange
hayi.
Can I mean Salumange? Put your juice your back. This is something like I'm at the tip handy. I'm really too much money. I'm really too much money. My phone show wrong with the name match. Pretty vange. Can I mean Salumange? Put your juice your back. This is something like I'm at the tip.
yo shabuzo baferi mane misibare say case kusa seka sampeka kino tanada sauce I'm here with
Short am avio titanaye.
sure avio hlala ba
Etromantarisa.
Traumatized ne what's the most expensive thing you bought this year
So, don't get
you like say sure okay wayithenga like edurayo this year or last year
last year I did.
Ubone understand ba kuse show nyaka uyaqala yabo so ubone neze akabikho niwiso engqayini
I did them.
hey period
Lacoste
la cost be malini bra
3.5.
3.5
Yes.
yes ndiona mazaba kabangaziyo ngawe prime
Bana chai.
chai abayalo webaya chai shit hayi bo really
Serious.
iphi mnandi sibumbu neyogathi
Yogurt. So,
awusithanda sibumbu esazi sibumbu phofu
yes, as.
yeah isozela sibumbu
Ngizazi umntwana wami.
shit kodwa awusithanda
Yeah.
uzotyela wena
That's a bar.
It's hard.
really
Sure.
yeah hayi Brian yeke lo yenzayo
Serious, I.
yes
So, understanding yani.
yani
Sure.
yo umuntu wakho yena ugqibenini nje kusebona ukubetha ibe manzi intashinga
Izolo. Yeah.
bethe yamanzi
Sure.
uthi ulela kona cala imanzi
Uyolala ulacala.
hawo kusenjalo futhi ba uyi-gentleman bro bona ibe ngulala kwala side
Bigger
fast
bigger something.
refi
Sure.
shit awe accept thanks for your time bro shabuzo baferi mane misibare say case kusa seka sampeka kino tanada sauce I'm here with
ya fethu noluphelo uDmalekese Stimela sasezola iCrash kaDadwini.
share awe what's the most expensive thing you bought this year bro
This year fethu ngabi khona man inside.
oh okay yeah last year masit last year yabo awe
Last year ngathi indwango uthi yabo.
share
Isdwadla.
sibulele
Shit ya.
awe ana kufuna intoni abazali bakho abangayaziyo ngawe
Give it abantu bazali bami bangayaziyo ngami fethu man ngathi okay sure man. Madi danger fethu.
Pinky little baby, you smell real sad.
yinja bayazi ba ukuse uyinja
Ngandibhoza ngiyenye yazo.
shit
Ya uthi yabo.
awe do you feel like amanga deserve love yakho
Ya wena mfethu abonabo man uthi yami yabo.
sure
Abonabo mfowethu man yabo but apparently ngoku adi grand man.
tororo
And smart out here.
yeah uzethu uchatile le ring
I'm not gonna say so out here. Ambiwa andikho apho andikho.
okay hayi nakufile awe okay sure yipi mnandi sibumbu neyogathi
Asisibumbu awuthi
Sibumbe simnandi
asisibumbu
yogurt.
yam mfowethu.
Ngaba uyithanda yogurt?
Iyogurt nje yam ndiyitya xa ndindedwa.
Awe.
Yam mfowethu.
Bethe xa uwedwa
Xa
yogurt.
ndilonely yam.
Xa ulonely.
Yeah.
Bethe yogurt straight.
Ndiyitye.
Okay, awe. Yes, sir. Awe. What you bring on the table with relationship?
Yeah, bring uthando Juma.
Thando.
Yeah,
Share.
bring uthando mfowethu.
Awe.
Then yeah, maintenance obvious Juma.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Yena umamazi abringe ntoni yena?
Uthando akho nto engayifunayo kuwe nenhlonipho
Xa
xa.
uthando nenhlonipho qha.
Yeah, uthi yam.
Shit. Awe. That's good. Bona kuse. Yavakala.
Yeah, mfowethu.
Yavakala. We artist mos right?
Yeah, mfowethu.
Lacula mos.
Yeah, a cappella, a proper.
Shit.
Yeah.
Awe.
Yeah.
Asibethele nje noba accent nje inote eyi-1 nje.
Yo, uthi yam.
Inote.
Uthi yam yo bamba.
Nje inote eyi-1 not nje eyi-1 nje.
Hawu bamba kundikwi boundaries esithile uthi yam.
Hayi bo. Hey manna.
Hi my dog.
Nje inote bra.
Next time anika but that's why.
Yeah.
But yeah man.
Okay, sure. Usebhizi zawuyenza koze kwaya mos right?
Yeah.
Awe.
Yeah, ndiseyiyo mfethu khona.
New generation.
Yeah.
Awe.
Kaloku i-new generation group yam Juma.
Awe.
Yeah, then the conductor.
Okay, sure. Uyazazi mos kusene igroup ezicula lapha eKasisi.
Yeah, ezo nezo.
Okay, awe ndifuna nje undrophele nje i-top 5 yegroup zalapha eKasi ozaziyo. Qonda xa uzimamele kuseuve yakhe sezikaka zintswembe zicula kamnandi man. Awe.
Yeah, obviously it's gonna be new generation out yam.
Sure, 1.
Then the KYC.
KYC.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Then
3.
Noon creative, yeah.
Creative. Number 4.
Machines, yeah.
Awe.
Then iqhubela bephi na? Ndizichani kahle ke out yam but khona mani kamva what kodwa yeah.
Okay, sure, awe. Okay, now ndifuna undrophele nje kuse top 3 yabo.
Yeah.
Ye-group ubone kuseyiculayo apha eKasi uqonde ukuthi xa imamela khona yeah kuse work isigaka ezi work noba ikusesho zingaya kwaMhlabi yalingana KZN sibone kuse josebenzela ba kuse
Yeah.
masicule kamnandi ngezilunge
Sure.
bone kuse ufuna undrophele nje zona nje kuse zibe 3 uqonde kuse hayi kaka ndisifeelings noma zingathini
Sure.
bone kuse ngcono kusezame nje ukwenza imali sithengisa amagwinya.
Yo anja yam kuba ningazazi ke uyabo like ilaweza i-group zalapha eKasi yabo.
Sure.
Yeah, nzazi like does persons yabo like
Okay, yeah, okay, sure. Asithi 1-on-1 ke. Ikaka uthi xa uqonde kuseyiva ucula uqonde yale ka kuyanibhora man.
yeah. Okay fethu
Number 1,
u12 Pro yabo.
12 Pro awe.
I think uyazidinga classes go mfethu yabo.
Yeah,
Yeah,
12 Pro.
12 Pro.
Sure, number
No Mr. Boulevard.
2, Mr. Boulevard.
Yeah.
Awe. Shit.
Then yeah. Nah mfethu man I still need the
Sure.
yeah mfethu.
Awusithembanga.
Sithembanga ncama yabo.
Shit. Nyusa ikaos brother. 12 Pro nyusa ikaos baba. Sikuthonyile. Awe, thanks for your time bro. Say awe. Kani Amyot. Taphakizo lezo. Ayindona abazali bakhe bangayaziyo ngawo.
Lungam?
Sure.
Hayi alukhulu nja yam man ufuna uzibhosa yabo.
Nawo mention nje at least maybe 1.
Abo nja yam. Leyazi nayo awuchasikasi khulile kasi awuchasikasi.
Sure.
Yabo wayitsala
Awe.
yabo yaka out nawe yala uba awuzukwazi like ezinye like bone
Zenza zibe.
yabo amathe ngowatsala mina
Okay, hayi nakufina. Okay, sure. Yephi mnandi isibomvu neyogurt.
yo mina penza mina
Senze mnandi.
penza
Neyogurt.
yogurt lona abunoza abantwana mase yogurt mase
Ayithandi.
hayi ne iyatsheka but
Okay, ithini la sineko kwisibomvu.
sibum yo mina andizongxoka yabo ngasho ba last of last week
Yo.
last of last week kali
Yalamba bro.
hayi ngicela la manje
Yeah.
kaloku bachuzi xa
Ngoba usifumana lo muntu kusebekunika sona ebeke wachama ngomnika yakunikayo.
masensiba lo mbuzo
Hayi kunjani brother?
zama mera alifuna uxoka bo
Awe.
thethe into ezirong
Sure.
yabo la
So khangi.
hayi
That's a bar. That's a bar. If they don't feel it, they are not hot like us. Oh, that's another bar on top of a bar. That's a bar though.
Yeah.
Mana kaloku abanye bana abazosikwita.
Sure.
Athi uzokubona uba like uyenzile umsebenzi wakho xa
Yena ukwazanga ukuba makamenza speed. Asquared.
ufuna ntoni ngantoni. Ngiyakhermanani.
Sure.
Yabo like andikwazi uba ndithi kuse put a spook.
Okay, sure.
Bese xa
Yeah, that.
yabo.
Shit.
Yabo.
Sesiphi style like so qonda like say uyasifila like xa kula position yoba okay show busy.
Bona image kwazo
Sure.
right.
Aware.
Right ngendlela right.
Sure.
Plus iTokyo my god.
Kha sibonisa bike say idog yakho ibetha njani. Hayo.
Papa.
Yeah.
Papa.
What you bring on the table good relationship?
Manam. Yazi inyuku njami.
Sure.
Inyuku nothando effort yakho.
Sure.
Yabona we.
You feel like amangara deserve love yakho bro?
Like yeah, ngasho bra like ba wa deserve.
Sure.
Like yeah, kunyanzelekile mfowethu ba
Yes.
umthandile umuntu jo like okubonisa ba like yeah.
Okay, sure. Aware.
Yabo so like awuzuthi ba awa deserve.
Okay, check this out bro. Uyayazi mos industry lapha ekhasi ye hip hop bayivaya kanjani?
Yo bra, I save time.
Uyayazi ne?
Na but save bra.
Shit, aware. Ngifuna nje udropele nje top 5 artists osifilayo lapha ekhasi.
Yo,
Like the hip hop.
bra, asawutsiba lombuzo.
Nah, come on, like only top 5 artists ozifilayo wena. Ukona nje kusela amajida la. Iqala nomameli ukona kusela
Kiranduza, producer,
i-rappers.
rappers,
Yeah.
abekas.
Yeah.
Ke ngatsho banguwe yabo.
No, sumbala man, haye ku rap and rapping.
Or even.
Yeah.
Ke sure. 21.
21. Shout out 21.
Yeah. Bengpizo.
Stana.
Look tomorrow. Yeah.
Sure.
Like umjito ngesityle sakhe namajita no. Abo like istyle asifani.
Aware anakufila we.
Bona when it come to umculo like ayawenza umculo.
No cap.
Yeah, no cap. Yeah,
Cap.
no cap.
Crazy. Okay. Okay, hawa influence intropile nje top 3. Bona kuse ye work rappers. Ikaka uthi xa mameli qonda yeah akusele ikaka le. Ani yiva le. Noba ingaye KZN komhlaba yalingana ngeke ibe nsuyumbu.
Yanja nazi work rappers yabo ngoba nami so ba upcoming artist yabo.
Share.
I cannot charge.
I'm so traumatized by freestyle yana 2 bars.
Yanja.
He's a fast. 2 bars, 2 panyara.
Ngwazi freestyle yabo like
Okay, noma ke iziline okay kusebone wazibulala esitila wezini Mike.
Sture gabo njami la khona ungasukuya pha kuphephyura yabo.
Bro.
Pure yabo uya pha kuphephyura.
Sure.
Tani mamela ingoma.
Sure.
Like man ngona
Popular.
Yeah, ungana second verse.
Shit.
So leave yabo like angwazi chacha bra.
Oh yeah, thanks for your time bro.
Yeah.
Yo. Kuze befit mani misibare say case krusa sekasi yampeka again with another sauce. I'm mute.
Latita Kindan.
Latita Kinan. Oh yeah, sure. What's the most expensive thing you bought like now like this year?
I haven't bought anything.
Wani.
So say New Year, so 2026, so.
Sure. Akabambi ni ndondon.
Don't.
Never mind. Idola wazalo kama yazi yonga.
Ayiko friend.
Ayiko ne. Bayazi yongiwe bayakwazi lapha ngoku.
Bendazi la abalani sebaleni but kaloku for sure nje liphuma ebaleni yakwezinye indawo.
Indawo. Wani. What you bring on the table ku relationship?
Love no commitment.
Wani. Yes, zawusani peqaniseli. Do you feel like maybe let's share ichingisa I deserve love yakho?
Nope.
Why?
Because I deserve shame.
I deserve shame. Yes, really.
Real.
Yo, yephi manje diki no cut.
You have a job your card. You have.
You got it. Like say hi. Abakusela wala ex zakho bezingagayi like
Hayibo.
Yeah.
Hayi yekati mnandi Tom.
Ene qhaqwaba you got it qhaqwaba.
Yeah, imnandi
What's
yekati.
your love language?
Physical touch, yeah.
Physical touch.
Yeah, man.
Shit, away. Shit, nakufila. Thanks for your time, bro. Easy. amyoti
bathi ngubroja.com for aphiwe geqiwe mani nyintwana embi yasepola park na White House.
shit awe what's the most expensive thing you bought this year bro
Mfowethu the most thing ngam ngoba ngonguye amasanchanga kumhlonela FM ndithi
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Nkosela FM nabantwana bayazithanda indaba man yonke into yenzeka man amaza
awe nona bazali bakho abangayaziyo ngawe
into abangayaziyo ngam abazali bami manditshintshe nevoice kaloku mzaba ngathi ndithetha noLiya mna zawuthi kaloku into abangayaziyo ngam into yokuba ndiyenzele bumnyameni into yenzele bumnyameni under B ungumntu
sure
mna ndinqanda ngamanzi ebhetri kwinto ze-drugs ngoba ndizikhuthuza mntu ndisebenza ngamandla wam la ndizitye endizifunayo no one knows nangoku amehlweni aphetulile ndiqhunxiwe
shit
ya mara angeke ndithinte umuntu angeke ndithini bani
yes
I'm just living my life abantu ingase abantu bavele bangidedele bangibheke kahle ingase bangilandela ngekhamera kanye ngilandele irobot mfowethu izofika ingilandele ingitshela okay uyaba ngoku
shit
ngilandele hamba nekhamera nje izaba smart okwalemjita olhlobo linje ngoba memela kwala boy yakwenzeka ngexesha liya mna nje ndinguproja ne mna mfowethu I'm too personal ngento encinci ngaka inhliziyo yami ingaka
incinci nayo
ihamba umzimba wonke so if you touch the move maybe uzabe uyirhotsela izabilapha inhliziyo yami so
sure
that's me
feel iphi mnandi isibumbu neyoghurt bura
yo isibumba yesi simandi but siyalibazisa awuzufuna imali ngokufuneka uspendile esibumbeni but iyoghurt imandi ngento eyi-1 iza kuthumela esibumbeni ngoba ezanto zihambelana zoyithuza imandi zo zombini but isibumba ngase ndisitye every day na oko qho ibe yinto engathi yisoporo ne-breakfast
yes yo shabuza abafeni bale bisibare sekhe isikhulisa sekasi uyabheka ke uthanda na sos amyoti
This is Iceberg, bro. Shout out to Iceberg.
iceberg
Yeah.
where she what's the most expensive thing you bought this year
I bought about like, yeah, Lacoste, bro. Yeah.
yes yeah playmate ilumayo ngaye
Yeah, Joe. Like,
these boys will kill you
deep in underwater. Yeah.
shit
So yeah, I bought a Lacoste about.
shit awe into nabazali bakho abangayaziyo ngawe
They don't know about what I'm thinking.
shit
You feel like, in my own space, like, I don't know what's in my mind.
shit
You feel so like, yeah, bro, like, there's a lot, bro, like,
awe
lot of kicking in.
still rapping
No, bro, I don't want to rap anymore, bro.
come on
I'm not rapping, bro. Anymore.
shit
Like,
you rapper
yeah, I've been through that.
shit
Yeah, there's different kind of spaces about when you're moving, you see.
shit
So yeah, like, I'm not that into it.
yeah that I entrepreneur nje 2 bars man acela bro
Buzz.
yeah only 2 bars
2 bars, bro.
Please, the first 2 minutes 2 bars yeah
Bro, don't
Tupanyana, bro.
Yes. Okay, 2 bars. Okay, I got 2 balls, but I crunch lunch bars.
shit
So yeah, when I chop bars, it's always fires when you see the star.
shit
Yeah, that's all I got, man. That's all I got, man.
Yeah.
I got
Yes,
nothing else,
sis.
bro. Like nothing else.
awe
So yeah,
okay awe so check this out bro like yazi mos industry lapha ekhasi ibaya kanjani
yeah, I've seen a lot.
well,
I've seen a lot.
entrepreneur nje top 5 artists osifilayo lapha ekhasi
Damn, top 5. Okay, Aka, aka I would say like Asif. Yeah, Asif. Snap piece.
Snap piece sure
Is
ufone yeah number 4
4. Yeah, the list, bro. Okay,
bro.
okay. I never heard about others, bro, but I can say like, my nigga. Who's this nigga? Who's this nigga from? Like, he's from Suicide, like the Suicide Gang.
awe
Nigga, I mean, Mr. Never. I can say it's you, bro. Like,
awe
like
shit
dog.
yeah awe send for entrepreneur nje top 3 Bona kuse ye work rappers. Ikaka uthi xa umamela uqonda ya wena mfit noba ungaya kwamhlaba uyalingana KZN. Ke kuye kuba work.
Yo, top
Boy.
3,
Ye
bro.
work rappers bro.
Yo.
Only top 3.
Top 3 whack rappers. I can say it's me, bro.
Hey manna.
Hayi bo.
Yeah, put me in.
Yeah.
I'm the wackest motherfucker in this industry. Bro.
Kere God sende.
And
These boys will kill you.
okay, I can say like, yo, bro, I don't want to bother anyone else,
Sure.
their careers, bro, because it's everyone trying to get it, you know. So I can't mention anyone. I don't know what they doing, bro. Like
Shit, no way.
they've been through, like
Yeah, but what you bring on the table for a relationship, bro?
on the table.
Yeah.
I bring like support and loyalty.
Yeah, when it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet. Thanks for your time, bro. Easy.